In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Airtable. First, head over to airtable.com in your browser. If you don't already have the site open, just type the address into the URL bar and press Enter. You'll land on the home page where you can sign in and access your workspaces. Next, sign in to your Airtable account. Use your regular login method, and if you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the data to live. A quick tip before we go further. Have your source file ready, with clear column headers and consistent formatting. That will make the import smoother. Open an existing base or create a new one. If you're adding data to a table you already manage, open that base so the import can flow into your current structure. If you're starting fresh, create a new base. A blank canvas can make mapping fields simpler the first time you do this. Inside the base, look for the Add or Import option. You'll typically find it near the place where you add a new table. Click it to bring up the different import choices. Choose your source. Airtable supports CSV files, Excel workbooks, Google Sheets, and more. Pick the one that matches your data. If your information is stored online, choose the connected source. If it's a downloaded file on your computer, select that file type. Upload your file or connect your account. If you're uploading, locate the file on your device and confirm. If you're connecting to Google Sheets or another service, authorize the connection and select the exact document or tab that contains your data. Now, match your columns to Airtable fields. This mapping step tells Airtable which column becomes which field. Pay special attention to the primary field, since it often serves as the main identifier. Align text to single-line text, numbers to number fields, and dates to date fields to avoid formatting hiccups. If a field doesn't exist yet, you can choose to create a new one during mapping. Review the data preview. This is your chance to confirm that headers, formats, and sample rows look correct. Scan for odd characters, unexpected blanks, or misread dates. When it looks right, click Import or Create Table. Import adds rows to an existing table, while Create Table builds a brand new table from your file or sheet. Finally, wait for the data to load into your base. You'll see a progress indicator. Larger files can take a moment. Once it finishes, your records will appear and you're ready to work with your data in Airtable.